Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2026 Ridge Platinum Ranch Edition. Brand new machine for 26. New color, new design. What they did with these 116 horsepower, so they went to the higher horsepower machine, but the Ranch Edition, they went even a step further than limited for last year. As you can see, we got the full bumper on the front. Of course, this is an HVAC machine, so you got heat and air, glass windshield, wiper, you got nice bright lights, you got the accent lights, the Warren 4,500 pound synthetic rope winch. You can see there's a front camera up here. One other thing they did, it went to a 30-inch tire, so they went from the 27s to the 30, so super nice tire, super nice cab in here. Open that up for you. With the Ranch Edition, they went to the full kind of brown, the custom ranch looking seats. So really nice seating in here, really beautiful display, easy to read, easy to use. Really nice display up front here as well for the driver. Your heating, AC controls set just like your car would. You can turn that to whatever you want it to be on. You've got some storage up front there. Got a little bit of cup holders here. Got your stereo up here, so you got your speakers and everything, lots of sound and everything. Glass rear panel, light in the middle there. Nice big bed, easy to put down for the bed. 2-inch receiver there as well, but super nice what they did for 26 on these Ridges. So if you're looking for a great machine like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684. You can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.